Flash on the phone? This new gate just isn't doing it for me. Obstacle detected.
Hasn't seen it up close that much. It's either seen one or the other. It's not too much. It's either too much or too less. Jeez. It's never medium. Freaking day. See, now that's medium because he left right away. Never mind. Oh, never mind. Now he's gonna run into it again. Oh, Velociraptor.
Look out!
Dead. The batteries in my feet need changing. All systems powering down.
Move along. Nothing to see here.
Ears off, eyes off. Again.
Third law kicking in.
Oh, the blue V2's already dead. Look at how slow it got already. See, I told you he was dead.
Disturbance detected.
That was pretty much an hour. He only lasts an hour at full speed. The red one lasts a long time. It was not even close to being completely dead, I'm sure. But the blue one was. I'm so gonna have to fix this. And see why it's not going.
Hello, everyone. The party has arrived.
Hello, everyone. Step on the buzz.
Obstacle detected.
That one stopped going. Now the raptor's gonna